Spam, mee goreng noodles, eggs, a little bit of butter. Boil your noodles until al dente. Hey you guys, welcome back to Linda's Eating Show. Today I prepared something that you guys can make if you guys were on lockdown. Just grab some noodles, preferably Indomie mee goreng noodles, and I quickly stir fried it with some butter and spam and fried egg. And let's get into it. So one of you guys requested that I took a sip and go, so I'm gonna do that for you guys. I have a Coke here. Let's just open this up. I put it in the freezer so you guys could see it's a little bit icy. Like I like my jewelry. Oh, very icy. How are you guys doing? Here in San Diego, all the schools have shut down. I'm just waiting for my job to shut down. They still want us here, dealing with all sorts of people. Let's try this. Did you try it yet? I never had it like this, but this is super easy, guys. You saw how I made it. So easy. And I didn't want to do the over easy egg this time. I wanted everything fried into the noodles. And it tastes so good. So good. My daily routine now when I come to work is I spray everything. Constantly washing our hands, being careful, especially when meeting with the prospects, wanting to tour and just not shaking hands and being at a distance. It's scary though to think that anybody can have it. What are your thoughts on what's going on right now?
Personally, I do think that people are panicking a lot more than they should. Health professionals have already, I guess, debunked the fact of it being something to, yes, it can kill you, but people who are at a, young age are way less risk than someone who is older. It's a different kind of form of the flu, I guess, in terms, I'm probably saying it wrong, but I'm not a health professional. You know what I mean? As far as I've read and looked into it, people were saying that, that if you're young, in general, good health, you do not have any other health issues, diseases that affect your breathing, stuff like that, you shouldn't be too worried. Now, the only thing that's kind of scary, like you said, about us coming in contact with people all day long, is the fact that you can have it and not show symptoms for 2 weeks. So, technically speaking, we can all have it already because we're here with each other all day long and nobody will know.
That's scary.
That's the scariest part about it. But as far as people going into the stores and going crazy, stuff like that.
Like hoarding, right?
Huh?
Like hoarding, right?
Oh yeah, most definitely. If you have kids, I totally understand you want to get wipes, diapers, everything. Because, kids will not be able to understand that you're trying to ration if we do shut down. But if you're in a household full of adults and you guys are buying 30 packs of toilet paper, I definitely do think maybe you don't care. Maybe you're not conscious that you're creating a problem for other people. Or maybe you just don't care at all. So
Yeah.
it's totally up to you. Do what you want to do, but just be considerate in times like this. There are people who are struggling. People who have already got caught taking advantage of that.
Yeah.
Buying and then trying to resell at higher prices.
I see that. I see it on Amazon. I see it on OfferUp.
Yeah.
Went to Costco yesterday and it was crazy. I didn't even notice that there was a line because for the people coming out, the line kind of broke. So I kind of went to the side and the employee was like, "Ma'am, there's a line." And then I was like, "I'm so sorry." And then it went all the way down to the end of the parking lot, like off property. It went that far. And then it was crazy. It kind of reminded me of Black Friday, where the lines are shut off and you can only go in specific areas.
Right.
Everybody's yelling in the store. I went to go get dog food because my dog was running low on food. And just for normal necessities, like grocery shopping, just as a normal day, you can't even do that.
No.
Right now, it's hard.
I know the Walmart that's, down the street from us too. One of our coworkers, she had, her significant other go with her kids, and people were literally fighting over the toilet paper. So they had to grab the kids and run out. Police were there. It's crazy.
Excuse me.
They're acting as if the coronavirus is the T virus from Resident Evil or something. It's it's pretty. I feel like the panic is getting out of hand. I understand, wanting to be, away from people, wanting to be, clean. But, there was a guy who was buying hand sanitizer back to Amazon, and within 3 days, he had jacked the price up on Amazon for his hand sanitizer.
How much?
Reselling it. I think over $30 a bottle.
Just a small little bottle?
Small, normal-sized bottles, definitely bigger than the ones you get from, Bath and Body Works that you put in your purse and stuff.
The little
the
one, yeah.
ones that offices keep.
Like what we have.
Exactly what we have. And he was selling those, and within 3 days, his projected sales was over $75,000. And Amazon had deactivated his account, stopped everything. I'm not sure if they're refunding people their money.
A piece of the wrapper.
Oh.
I almost ate a piece of the wrapper.
Shit.
Go, sorry.
But, yeah, I'm not sure what they're going to do with people like that, because we're buying it, and then Amazon did get their cut out of all those sales, so I'm not sure if they're just not letting him do it anymore, or they're going to, make him take them back and, people get their money back, so.
What do you think is going on in those people's minds that are buying 10, 20 packs of toilet paper? Do they think that the world's going to be shut down for more than 30 days?
And see, that's the thing with the media. There's all these things floating around that it's a possibility, it may happen. If it does, how long? And I get it. You want to be prepared for the worst. Don't get me wrong. I totally understand that. But, you know, at the cost of what do you want to be prepared? At the expense of other people? You know? What about the people who are out there who are, you know, mothers? Let's say you're struggling with money. Let's say you had wipes just to get you until this next paycheck. And you were going to go up, you know, re-up on wipes. And now you can't.
Right.
You know, what about people like that? What about the people who were, you know, just had babies, going to the store, who are still pregnant?
I know.
Have babies? What about them?
I know.
How do you prepare for that? It's too late for them, right?
It's so scary. This is really harder to drink because it's so icy. It's like a slushy. Look at that.
That's nice though.
Oh!
Okay.
It was a little dry anyways. But yeah, this is pretty good. But if you guys can't get your hands on Goreng noodles, what you guys can do is get any kind of top ramen, like the Marichan, how do you say it? Marichan. Chan means like plate in Cambodian, by the way.
Really?
Chan, yeah. But yeah, you can get that, boil the noodles just like you would do with pasta. And then you can take it out, let it cool down. Excuse me. But you can start stir frying in some oil, some garlic, onions. Stir fry it really quickly, and then you can add some kind of protein, maybe some pork, some beef, some shrimp, chicken, whatever your heart desires. And then you can throw in your noodles, add some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, some sugar, a little bit of salt, some other seasonings of your liking. Stir fry it up real quick little noodle stir fry. Shoot, you can even add eggs, you can add Spam, whatever you like, whatever you have.
You want to get fancy, you can add shrimp.
I have these. They're called Mama Noodles. Have you had them?
No.
So good. I add shrimp to mine. I add cilantro, onions, make it like pho, basically. Just adding a lot of stuff to it.
Okay.
So it's not just noodles. You have eggs. So good. But I was raised on that. Both my parents, they always like made that for us. My dad's favorite was stir fry like this. Just like quick, easy, like stir fry noodles.
No, I'm a guy straight out of a movie.
You're what?
I'm a guy straight out of a movie. What I mean by that is like I'm not cooked to save my life.
Oh, you don't cook.
I suck at cooking. I don't know what it is, but maybe it's like the lack of awareness with like time and stuff like that. But like even doing like things like, let's say you're gonna make like, you know, eggs with sausage or something. So you cut the sausage up and you go ahead and cook the sausage before you put the eggs in and everything, right? And I will like, the sausage will be like close to done, and I have not even mixed my eggs yet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like being unprepared or like being distracted, I guess. You know? Maybe it's just I'm not putting enough time into doing it, you know. So.
I've always wanted to go to culinary school. As a kid, instead of watching cartoons, I would love to watch the cooking channel, the Food Network channel. Loved it.
You can see, as much as I love to eat, you would think that I cook good.
One of the first chefs I used to love watching was Yan Can Cook. Have you heard of him?
No, I haven't.
Asian chef. He's a Chinese chef. but his channel was Yan Can Cook. But Yan Can Cook would just be like extra like that too. And I liked watching, he did a lot of chocolates. Jack, I think his name is Jack. And then Giada De Laurentiis, I think that's how you say it. And right now I love to watch on YouTube Laura Vitale, and I love to watch Food Wishes, and I like to watch, what is the other one? I forgot it. I'll put it down if I can remember. But I mean, I've always wanted to cook. I've always wanted to go to culinary school, but excuse me, I'm so burpy today. Excuse me. It's the Coke. Don't look at me like that.
Better a burp than a cough.
Right? Than a fart. And this was 3 packs. Do you like it? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Come on.
You need to go. You need to go.
Hey, once they close down, we all need to go home. Hey.
At least you're using the proper technique into the, like that, like you're dabbing.
Oh, yeah. To be honest, I don't feel like people care when they cough and stuff. I really don't. People be in the store and like don't cover their mouths or anything. And it's scary because if you ever look up like videos of like how far a cough or a sneeze can spread, the reason why schools close is because a cough and a sneeze can easily spread 6 meters in diameter if whoever's coughing or sneezing.
How far out?
6 meters. Not 6 meters, I lied, 6 feet.
6 meters is pretty far out,
that's
right?
What I'm saying. So if you don't cover your mouth and I cough, I can be almost across the room to you, and at least something is going to reach you. You know. It was a burp.
Okay.
It was a burp.
Okay.
You thought I was gonna throw up, or?
I thought you was gonna cough some more.
No. Coughing is deemed worse than farting right now. Huh?
It is. People are more scared of you coughing.
Right.
That was a lot of noodles.
That was good though. Those noodles. They were
You
actually-
get them at the 99 Ranch Market. That's where I get it from.
Yeah, that's actually really good. I'm gonna try to make that without burning my house down.
Yeah.
If I do, you guys will probably hear about that.
You think your wife will like it?
One of my wife's biggest things is like Chinese food.
She what?
Biggest things is like Chinese food.
She loves it?
Loves Chinese food. But my wife does not like to try new things. She goes to the same place, does the same thing, does not want to go out of her bubble with food.
I think she's the first person that I've met that does not like pho. I think she's the first one.
Yeah, she didn't like pho. She didn't like the spring rolls that they gave with the pho. I was just like, Jesus, like, what do you like?
What are you guys doing to prepare just in case we are on lockdown? We're in California. What states are you guys in? What city are you guys in? I'm pretty full, guys. But maybe I need to burp some more and then I'll be hungry again. But I have this much left. Well, you guys, thank you for watching. You guys all please be safe. Wash your hands, cover your mouth if you're going to be sneezing, coughing, burping, all that. I mean, dang, I didn't even cover my burps when I burped. I was like, ugh.
I've been at work with you just today alone like 5 hours. If you haven't, I've got it by now. No worries. So.
All right, guys, well, please subscribe. Please like that bell. No, hit that. I can't ever get this right. It just doesn't run smoothly. Subscribe. Please hit the like button. Please hit the bell notification so you guys know when I upload a video. If there are any other requests that you guys would like to see, please let me know down in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you so much. Like I said, everybody be safe. I love you all. Be safe. Mwah.